Welcome back to the channel, everyone. In today's video, I'll show you how to link your EA account to YouTube step by step. This connection can help you unlock special in-game rewards and promotions, so make sure to follow along carefully until the end. To get started, open any internet browser and head over to the YouTube website. Make sure you're already signed in to your YouTube account. Once you're logged in, click on your profile icon in the top right corner of the screen and select Settings. From the menu on the left, choose Connected Apps. Then scroll down until you find Electronic Arts in the list of available services. Click the Connect button next to EA. You'll see a message explaining the benefits of linking your accounts, such as access to in-game rewards. Click Connect, then select Continue to proceed. You'll be redirected to the EA sign-in page where you'll need to enter your EA account email address and password. After signing in, review the permissions shown, scroll down, and click Allow to approve the connection. Once this step is completed, your YouTube account will be successfully linked to your EA account. And that's it. You've now linked your EA account to YouTube and can start enjoying any eligible rewards or promotions tied to this connection. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more easy tutorials like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.